Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude now trading at a level of $58.94. Okay, and this is the trend what we have seen from 2 weeks, that there is a currently 2 weeks, but previous to previous weeks we have seen that a green candle is forming. Okay, chances are very high this is the range where the price is moving from a month. Okay, and if the price started going below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $56.58, which is yesterday's low, and after that it can cross a level of 55, okay, which is a month's low. Okay, so chances are very high that probability of crossing a level of 55 is there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can fall further down towards $54.54, and if the price falling below this level, a further fall we can see. But if it started going above this level, then the next resistance, strong resistance, we can see at a level of $63.5. Okay, and then from there a level of around 65.5. Okay, this 65.5, these are the levels. From there a bounce back can come, but if that didn't come, we can see after this level we can sell of 65.5, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see. See, the price of crude depends on a lot of factors. Okay, one of the factor is dollar index. Okay, and OPEC meeting, all these are affecting the price of crude, or any other speeches coming from a week like Trump or Joe Biden, and any Fed chairman. This the price affect the price of crude. Okay, now let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar index plays an important role, and they are inversely related to crude prices. Okay, now let's see how the price of dollar index is moving. See, dollar index now trading $9.824, and we can see a swing has formed at this level. From 2 weeks we have seen the price is trying to go higher. If the price sustain above this level, probability is high after crossing a level of $99.9, it can touch a level of 100.2, and if the price moving off that particular level, chance of touching 100.4 is there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can go further upside. Okay, from 100.2 we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't come, we can see a further upside towards a level of $101.9. if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 102.5. okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards a level of 102.5, and from there a further upside we can see towards 102.8, and from there a level of $103.2. if the price moving out that particular level, chance of touching 103.5 will be there, and then from that level we can see a level of 104.5. okay, but if the price sustain above this level, a further upside we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, a swing can form at this level. So if the price started falling below this level, we can see the price can move towards $99, and from there a further fall we can see towards 97.8. This 99 is already being tested, so we can see the price will fall below a level of 97.8, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down towards 97.7 to a level of around $96.8. If the price moving below that particular level, chances are high it will go towards a level of $95.1, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see a level of 94.7. okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see a further fall. So when the dollar index started going upside, we see the price of crude comes down. Okay, and the dollar index started going down, we see the crude price goes up. Looking at this particular chart, now let's see how the price of crude is moving. See, now the price of crude is trading at a level of $58.91. Yesterday we have seen it has made a low of around $56.5, and then a swing is formed. It is trying to go higher because see, there is a clear pattern forming, so chances are very, so see, there is a clear pattern is forming at this level, so chances can be high it can fall further down below a level of 55 also, because there will be a zone breakout. So once started falling below 55, it can touch a level of $54.13, and from there a bounce back can come. Okay, but if that didn't come, we can see a further fall towards a level of $51.4, and once the price falling below that particular level, chances of going below a level of 50 we can see. Okay, now if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards a level of 59.9 we can see, and from there a level of 62.4, and once the price moving off this level, probability of going towards 63.5 we can see, and if the price moving off this level, we can see a level of 64.3, and then a further upside movement. Okay, now if you look at this trend, there is a higher chances that the price can, if it sustain above a level of $63.3, then only we can see a further upside. But if the price started going and $09, we can see a bounce back. But and then if bounce back can come, and then it can fall again towards a level of 56.8 and then to a level of 56.5, and chance of crossing a level of 55.28 will be there, which is this particular low, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $54, 54.5. Okay, and then a further downfall towards 52.5 also, and then further low. Okay, but if the price sustain this level, chances of going towards, if it crosses a level of 60.09, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around 61.6, and from there it will move towards $63.5. Okay, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 64.9, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it can touch a level of 66.9, 67.98, and then a further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please